Hello guys, welcome po sa aking channel. Welcome to my channel. For those who is watching us, this is our colleague banding together. For the first time, we are all together, 5 staff. So we will eat together with my colleagues so we can enjoy. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share and press the notification bell so that you will be notified if I have new videos. Let's go guys, it's time to eat. Eat. We are all happy celebrating this day because for the first time we are all together. So supposed to be this Mr. Cameron is off. So one of the guy is from Cameroon, the two is from India, and we are two ladies are both from Philippines. So we have a good team, teamwork and friends. We can share food, even we can share our problems, blessings. So just keep watching and join us all for enjoying our food, eating nicely. Well guys, this another girl is my colleague Dalia. She is also from Philippines, and this one is Rakesh, and this one is Mr. Frankie from Cameroon, and this is another side is Mr. Okay, enough. Remove the mask, we will eat nicely. Huh? One more breath. Okay na, kain na. Start.
What's the plate? Let's eat.
Wait.
I want leg and one wings.
Okay, finish.
About time.
This is for me. The trick is to skip there. I know. This is also spicy. Had a script. Should be here. Okay. Hi guys. What do you want this one? Okay, this is mine.
Give me ice.
Huh?
Bring it there.
Bread. Send if you ask them later if mama suwa na.
Huh?
This is spicy. Ah.
This one is not spicy. This one is spicy. This one is spicy.
Spicy. Give it spicy.
This is not spicy. Give it to us.
This one's spicy.
Yeah, give that one to the
I got this.
Yeah.
Lahat bread.
Spicy naman na.
Let it chicken. Let it spicy. You like spicy? Eat that.
You're not eating spicy? You just open the bread, give me one.
I think one more.
No, I don't.
Wait.
Yeah, this one is not spicy. But come give me.
I know.
Meron ba kami?
Keep the chicken there last. Disturb yung camera. Sarap. Sarap.
Naman ko wala na.
So, do you want? Wait more, we will run for the bus. You want 21 pieces, right? This is also too much.
Solo.
I don't know. Only like that, separate one.
Very brown, ha?
Yeah, their chicken is tasty, huh? Hmm. Not oily.
Very mahal. Thank you, Ted.
Still the spicy in my mouth, huh?
Ano ba, Ted? Pwede makakain ko. Pwede ba? Hindi.
Huh? What's it? Now, Mia, we are free. Thank you. You should ask me, Jacob.
No, wait. One try. Where is the try? This one try.
Pass them very slowly, first if they have more chicken there. You ask Kuya na, there is how much the bread.
Spicy down. Spicy. Spicy.
Not really spicy, something.
Diba?
He's trying na.
Hindi mo sila ano tayo mapalanman. Bakit sila?
One them each. Like this.
Saan ka nag-castin? Net? Saan nag-castin?
Hot. It is hot.
Hindi nga pala ako.
Yeah, I will last. Go. Fast, Sandeep, Franklin. Last.
Going home. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you for watching. Yeah. Huh?